Hello, my name is Derek. I am an instruction and research librarian with the Citrus County Library System. I'm going to show you in a short tutorial how to place an ILL, or what's called Interlibrary Loan. So we're on Google. So we're going to go to the web address bar and type in the URL for our library website, which is citruslibraries.org. Hit go. We're now on the home page of our library system website. We're going to look for the tab that's called Research, and we're going to click that and go to Interlibrary Loan. That tab will take us to the option to sign into the ILL database, which is called WorldCat. So we're going to click WorldCat to sign into that. You'll need your library card number. Type your full library card number into this space right here. And the PIN number is the last 4 digits of your library card number. And then we'll click sign in. We're now into the ILL database, WorldCat, and we have a basic search option here where you could type in the genre or maybe a topic or the book title itself. You also have the option to do an advanced search. Where if you know the specific book you're searching for, instead of having to sort through hundreds, maybe even thousands of search results, you can type in the book title and even the author's name, and that will make a significant difference. But for now, we're going to show you how to do the basic search. Now let's say I did not know the entire book title, I knew partial book title. As you see, that has brought up thousands of search results. That's a lot of search results to go through. So the more information you know for your search, the better. There are ways here to the left you can narrow it down. Like here, you can narrow it down to book, if it's a book you're searching for. You could also search it by what kind of book, print book, ebook. You can narrow it down to what content type it is, if it's a biography or a fiction or nonfiction. You even have the option over here to put in a range of maybe what year it was published, or you can go by author, creator here, narrow it down that way, or by subject. But again, initially, the more information you know for your search, the easier it will be for you. So we're going to add the author's name to this search, and I'll show you what a significant difference just that much information can make. So just by adding the author's name to my search for this book, it narrowed it down from thousands of search results to just a couple of dozen. And so you have several different options here. Print book. Sometimes you have audiobooks, ebooks in different years. So we'll pull up the first one here. And clicking on the title, it brings up options to view description, where it gives kind of a summary of the book, ISBN number, publication year, etc. You can also explore editions and formats. Again, if you wanted to look for a newer edition maybe, or older, you could do that. By clicking on the title, it takes you to the page to request that item. And these are locations which hold this book for loan, and which the ILL will be pulling from. So you see the ILL will most likely be pulling this book from Texas A&M University. So to request that item, I'm going to click Request Item through Interlibrary Loan. You'll once again need your library card information. You have the option to add your email address or telephone number. You do not have to do that. Do not forget to choose which location you want to pick this up once it comes in as an available for pickup. You have the option to choose any of our libraries. Then once you hit submit, it will successfully submit that request for that item through the Interlibrary Loan.